Friend, you meet me again, and thank you so much for coming here and watching my video, my content. So I'm giving you a message of my drawings. You want to watching this? Let's go. Let's having fun. The mystery of the picture I'm drawing with a story for a giant bird and giant snakes in the forest on the screamy moment. Look it, say it into a comment. What your opinion about the drawing, about the scale, my scale, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and let's be fun on my drawing steps. And I hope you get an inspiration about it. Now, about shape of the birds, of the trees, and then on the rock. Step by step, I'm drawing it by my imagine. Everything my artwork from my imagine. Just be fun, man, and listening the music. This is my creation too, from my voice. I edited into the voice effect in TikTok. You can follow me in the TikTok, and which it's a song before I'm creating this, with a song of the source. You can listen in the TikTok, in my TikTok channel, like that. About the inspiration, that is my natural life in the village. I mix up find so much of grass on my village, and then a bird, but not giant bird. That is percutot. Percutot in my life. I mean, I'm sorry. If you like it, I will giving you a song from a kutot to sing on my video. Like my action to you, to giving you an entertain about my voice and my album. So normally I not be monotone in my style. I will giving you entertain. Thank you so much for listening me, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you want,
And if you interested on my YouTube channel, on my perform, and you want to support me by retweet on Twitter, is so please share. That is so helpful for me. And you follow me on Twitter, that is so great appreciate to me. Thank you so much. Let's be connected with me and so be fun, bro.
For a letter, I'm sorry for the close my content today. I want to be introduce, or let me introduce for myself. I'm LordErwin from Indonesia. I'm illustrator. My English skill is so a middle professional, but I want to list. I want to practicing again and again to get a professional speakers on English skill. But my native language is Javanese, not Japanese. Thank you so much for watching me.